Hi everyone, Sherry Canino here, and today I'm sharing a 2-page art journal spread with you. Do you ever just have, a moment where you just need something to get you going in your art journal? I honestly have that more than you guys would probably believe. And so today I'm going to show you how I've used some of the cut-apart pieces from Tiare Smith Designs to get me started in my art journal. I start out by gluing some just pieces of ephemera and scrap into my art journal. I'm using the heavy gel matte medium. I think mine is golden, but golden or Liquitex, they're both really great. Once I get my ephemera down, I cut apart the pieces that I want from the Tiare Smith Designs and glue them the same way with the heavy gel matte medium. One piece on each page because I want to keep it cohesive. Now I start to add a little bit of paint, and I'm using Carriker's fluid matte acrylic paint. It's very sheer and it is a delight to work with. I'm dipping my brush into some water and just spreading out the paint. I added some extra water there at the top on the one page to just get some drips going. We all love drips, right? I'll put the names of the colors of the paint in the description box below. Now, oftentimes I find things in my stash that I've saved that I think maybe I'll use. This is a coupon actually that came in the mail from Bath and Body Works, and I don't use their stuff, but I get their coupons, and this had a really cool edge to it that works as like a little stencil to give some design in your background. And now I'm using another piece of the same thing that came in the mail. It was another piece, it was another coupon. And all I did was I took a few different hole punches that I had in different sizes, punched them out to create another little stencil with like some fun dots. And now I'm adding just some little like leafy stems, flowers to my page to mimic the cut-apart pieces from Tiare Smith Designs, and then I outline them with some black ink. And then I'm going back in and just adding some color to them. Again, I'm looking at the pieces that I've already glued on and kind of just trying to get some of the similar colors into the leaves that I drew on there. Using some white ink and just doing some splatters. And now I have a little quote that I'm going to add to my page. Again, I glue it down with my heavy gel matte medium. And now I am using a dip pen and just writing a little quote on my page that says, "Happiness is making art without a plan." I also continue to use the ink and the dip pen and just adding some marks along my page. I highlight my quote. I don't really do calligraphy, but these pens are super fun. So if you can get your hand on one, even if it's cheap, just try it in your art journal for mark making and stuff. It's a lot of fun. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. If you did, don't forget to leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!